Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at these simple techniques that you can use to make $20 to $50 consistently using CoinMarketCap. If you don't have CoinMarketCap app on your phone, you can just go straight to your Play Store and download the CoinMarket app so that you can follow up with this strategy in order for you to make a simple, cool USDT for yourself. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So the two apps you need is this. First, you need CoinMarketCap for this strategy. And secondly, you need another exchange app for you to trade on it. You need an exchange app like Bybit or Binance or Huobi or KuCoin and the others. But the first thing you must have is this CoinMarketCap, because we are using this CoinMarketCap for this strategy. So let's quickly dive into that without a waste of time. So if you log into your CoinMarketCap after signing up, it will bring you to an interface of this very nature, to bring you to something like this. So having brought you to something like this, the next thing you just need to do is to click on up here to navigate yourself to categories. You can see these categories. So click on these categories. If you click on these categories, raising your eyes up here, this is what we call trending. You can see the trending is currently catching fire. So any coin that fall under here is going to give you a lot. It will give you a lot. All you just need to do is to dive in at the right time and move out of the market at the right time. Okay, you can see these coins that are trending here. The first one said here's share Rehoboth. Rehoboth has a total market cap of over 156 USDT billion. There's a Binance Alpha, which have recorded over 11. There's meme coins, which has recorded over 68. There's Solana ecosystem, which has recorded over 514 billion. So BNB chain over 166. Internet capital over 256. AI and big data, real world, gaming, Deepin, DeFi, AI agents, and what have you. So what you just need to do is to make your choice right here and dive into a particular coin of your choice. Then you can see how exactly it's doing in the market. Then you can go to any exchange of your choice to trade the coin. Alright, so looking at this meme coin, which is already in negative, looking at those meme coin, then what are those meme coin? You can look at them. They are all here. Okay, this is a video I will make next time. Alright, so let's look at this first one. Okay, this is Rehoboth Gated Crypto, which has recorded a market cap of over 156. Look at here. Over 156. And the 24 hours volume was here. So we are coming to this place to trade what? This WTRX. I think it will be good food for the night or for the week. Okay, we can look at also ST, ETH, WBTC, and what have you. Just look at it. So looking at the first one here, open it carefully, you see something of this very nature. So you look at it, what is happening here. You look at the total market cap, a 24 hours volume, and the others. So you can see how this has been doing in the past 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, its highs and its low. Its total market cap for the just past 24 hours was over 23 billion. Its circulated supply was over 87 billion of this WTRX. The 24 hours volume was over $226 million. You can look at that. Okay, look at it carefully and see. The most important thing is that it is very bullish. Very bullish. You can see it means it's a good investment for you to do and make your money from it. Okay, it's a good investment for you to do and make your money from it. So looking at it carefully, you realize that this is a coin that is still running in the market. Okay, so look at it carefully so that my video will not take a lot of time. You can look at it carefully for yourself and see how you're going to go about it. And one thing I always advise is that do not be greedy when it has to do with crypto market. When you see profit, take it and wait for another opportunity. You can come to this place to look at what the community is saying about this. This is very bullish. You go to the market as well to see where this WTRX is. Okay, look at its liquidity and its volume. Okay, so that is it for this one. All you just need to do is to dive in at the right time and make sure you make profit from it. And one thing you must understand is that you cannot trade here. You can take a coin of an exchange of your choice. Okay, if you take an exchange of your choice, then you can come over here to trade that particular coin. Okay, it's what is WTRX, I think. What is it? Let me see. WTRX. Okay, sorry, which is Tron? WTRX is Tron. Okay, so you can come over here directly in order for you to trade the coin for yourself. So looking at the coin now, it's going to take a very good move. Okay, it will take a what? It will take a very good move. So let's go back to look at the second coin that has recorded over 23 billion, and its current price is over 2 million USDT. Let's look at it. Let's look at how it's doing. So looking at it from here, you can just go down carefully to look at it very low and it's high in the past 24 hours before investing. Look at it carefully. Look at its analytics. And still it's bullish. And both of them are 87%, which is a very good one. Okay, so the same thing, you go to any exchange of your choice and look at this STETH, right, which is known as TETH. You can come to this place and look at it carefully. You see how it has been doing. It has been very flexible. It has been ups and down. Look at it carefully and make sure you dive into the market at the right time. Okay, so that is it. And for the others as well, you can follow the same process to find out exactly what you're looking for. This is ETH and it's currently bullish. You can also look at what investors are writing about it and dive into the market for good. All right. So you can follow this procedure to trace any coin of your choice and trade it for profit. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. And in my next class, I'll be talking about the meme coins. Alright, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.